Good morning. And today I want to share with you all journey of my life till now. So I want to tell you that I was born and brought up in Bhopal. My education was in one of the convent school of Bhopal, that is Saint Joseph Convent School. And my father, he was, very much ambitious, and he want me to study in that school. Though he himself have studied in village and in the government school, but when I was born in my family, I was a pampered child, and all the family members, they cared me a lot, they loved me a lot, as I was the first child of my family. So my father, he was very much ambitious, and he wanted me to study in convent school. So I studied there. I did my best, but you can say it unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know. Yeah, but I will say that fortunately I got married when I was in first year. I went to MVM college for my graduation. I took mathematics as the subject in class 11th, and for my graduation, I went to MVM college, that is Motilal Vigyan Adarsh Mahavidyalaya in Bhopal. So there I started uh, studying well, but fortunately, I will say that I got married. And I got married in a very large family. It was a joint family of 14 to 15 members were there. And I was, I was not in accustomed. मुझे घर के काम कुछ भी करना नहीं आते थे, और मैं सिर्फ पढ़ना मुझे पसंद था. एंड आई वॉज वेरी मच पैशनेट रीडर, voracious reader, you can say. I just love to read every time. I just want to learn everything. But when I started living here, so I have to do a lot of household chores also. But after 2 to 3 months, when they saw that I'm not interested in the kitchen work, in the household chores, so my elder brother-in-law, he took me to the nearest convent school and said that if you can't do the household chores, then you must be good at something else. सो आई सेड कि हाँ, मुझे पढ़ना और पढ़ाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड आई कैन बी अ टीचर, right? So he said, okay, I'm taking you to a very reputed school, and there you will be interviewed by the father, and then you have to write some essay or what, I don't know. As it was a town place, so my brother-in-law was also a teacher, so the convent faculty, they know him very well. So manager also know him. So he said, he took me to that school, and then there was my interview in English. I cleared it. I wrote one essay on the importance of education, and that too was, quite good. So I got good marks, and I was selected as a teacher. So I started teaching in convent school. But again, the God, he didn't want me to continue in that school. And by that time I got pregnant also. So I left the job, and I pursued my second year, my third year. And then we went, my husband got transferred to some other place, and we went there. And by the time my daughter was 3 year old, so I went in that convent school for her admission. And when I talked with them, with the manager and with the sister, so they said, why don't you do a job here? We offer you a teaching job if you want. I said, it's very good for me. I just informed my husband that I want. And at that time, I was doing my MA in English literature, and I'm taking lots of tuitions also. But uh, I always, agreed with God's will. And if I got the opportunity, I just never disappoint anyone. So I said, okay, मैं वो जॉब कर लूँगी, no problem. And I started working there. I started working very hard from 9 to 2 o'clock. I was in the school, uh, not from 9, 7 to 2 o'clock. I was in the school, and after that there was lots of tuitions till 8 o'clock in the night. And then very hurriedly I just finish all my dinner and all that, and then I study for my MA also, because by that time it was my final year. So I started studying for my MA English Literature, and I got cleared also. And then I enrolled myself for B.Ed from IGNOU, because my husband told me that my husband supported a lot. यदि मेरे हस्बैंड नहीं होते और वो मुझे मोटिवेट नहीं करते और मुझे वो हेल्प नहीं करते, तो आई थिंक मैं ग्रेजुएट होके ही रह जाती. लेकिन कहते हैं ना कि फॉर विथ एवरी सक्सेसफुल वुमेन देयर इज़ अ मैन, एंड आई अप्रिशिएट द एफर्ट्स ऑफ माई हस्बैंड एज वेल एज माई ब्रदर ऑल्सो. दे वॉन्टेड मी, उन्होंने कभी मुझे सेटबैक करने के लिए नहीं कहा. आई नेवर गिव अप, आई ऑलवेज गेट अप इन माई लाइफ. Though it was quite struggling, but I have enrolled for B.Ed, and successfully I completed my B.Ed with first class. And as soon as I got the result, I enrolled myself for MA education, and that was equivalent to M.Ed at that time. So, and by the time in 2001, by God's grace, I got selected in the government exam, and I got a government job, and I started teaching there to the upper primary classes. But I don't like to teach in government school because the students, they are not disciplined there, और ज़िंदगी उनके साथ बहुत ही सख्त होती थी. वो बच्चे बहुत ही उदास, और उनके घर में कई प्रॉब्लम्स भी होती थी. तो मुझे मतलब एज आई वॉज वेरी इमोशनल, तो मुझे ना उनको देख करके आई नेवर फील गुड, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था. और मैं चाहती थी कि बस मैं वहाँ ना जाऊँ, क्योंकि वो मेरे घर से भी 8 किलोमीटर था. तो एज आई वॉज गोइंग विथ बाय माई एक्टिवा, एवरी फैसिलिटी हैज़ अरेंज्ड बाय माई हस्बैंड, वॉज अरेंज्ड बाय माई हस्बैंड. बट आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो देयर, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू टीच दैम, या आप ये कह सकते हैं कि उस समय मुझे पढ़ाना ही नहीं आता था. दो आई हैव टॉट इन द 2 कॉन्वेंट schools, but again in that atmosphere, the teachers, they all are, they are gossiping, and they are not teaching, and they are just wasting their time. And I thought, what is the atmosphere here? So I feel very sad. And by the time I got selected as master trainer of English, so I remained here at the block level. I gave training to teachers, and I just remained here for 2 to 3 years. Then I got deputed in excellence school of this town, and in the excellence school I started teaching English and mathematics, as they were my subjects. So आज के लिए इतना ही, और अब मैं आपको इसके बाकी की बात मैं आपको कल के वीडियो में बताऊँगी.